From its inception in 1968, Jumbo has been a privately owned shipping company for heavy lift and project cargo. The first vessel, MV Stella Prima, was equipped with 4 12-ton derricks. Over the years, Jumbo's vessels have evolved, becoming stronger, more efficient, and above all, safer. Jumbo's current flagships are its 4 J-class vessels, Jumbo Javelin, Fair Partner, Fair Player, and Jumbo Jubilee, which can lift up to 1,800 tons. Jumbo owns and operates a fleet of 12 in-house designed vessels, employs over 500 people, and is market leader in heavy lift transport. Jumbo serves a wide variety of markets, including the oil and gas industry and mining. Regular transportation also includes the delivery of offshore supply materials, cranes and port utility equipment, amongst other things. To expand Jumbo's scope of work and meet the requirements for offshore solutions, both Jumbo Javelin and Fair Player are equipped with DP2 systems to maintain position whilst carrying out installation projects. In addition, Fair Player is also outfitted with a deep water deployment system to facilitate heavy installation work at water depths up to 3,000 meters. As a result of this innovative equipment, these purpose-built heavy lift vehicles are perfectly suited for the provision of transportation and installation services. Jumbo has a wealth of experience and a good reputation, both gained over 45 years of reliably providing innovative solutions. At Jumbo's headquarters in Schiedam, daily transport inquiries are dealt with by the commercial department. They work closely with the inquiry engineers who study the inquiry in detail on technical merit and project feasibility. All proposed projects are investigated to find out what expertise is needed to load and unload the cargo, as well as how long each aspect of an operation will take and what extra equipment may be necessary. When the client is satisfied with Jumbo's solution, the contract is signed and the shipment of the cargo is planned. Next, the project engineer starts with the technical preparation of the job. In order to get a better insight of complex loading and unloading operations, Jumbo frequently prepares 3D simulations in which all aspects of a project are studied in detail. When all technical preparations are completed, the operational department, in close cooperation with the cargo superintendent, starts with the final organization and planning of the project. Agents and stevedores are appointed, ship, key and cargo are prepared, and all documents are completed for the loading or unloading operation. All parties involved are continuously updated on the latest time schedule. After extensive preparation in the office, it is now up to the ship's crew to execute the project safely and to the full satisfaction of the client. A standard crew on board of a Jumbo vessel consists of between 14 and 20 persons. This includes the captain, 3 officers, 3 engineers, a boatswain, a craftsman, deck crew, and a cook. The captain is in charge and is responsible for the stability of the vessel, the lifting of heavy cargo, and the administration, as well as many other affairs on board. The first officer is in charge of the daily operations on board, assists the captain during lifting operations, and is responsible for all work on deck. He coordinates the rigging of the lifting gear and the sea fastening of cargo. The second officer assists the captain and the first mate. He is in charge of operating the ballast system during a lifting operation and is also the safety officer on board. He is responsible for all security-related matters. The third officer assists in all areas such as, but not limited to, cargo handling, safety, navigation, administration, and all kinds of deck and port activities. Jumbo vessels sail with Dutch and Russian officers, and the sailors are mainly from the Philippines or Cape Verde Islands. At sea, the officers navigate the ship during their watches. In addition, they carry out maintenance, cargo inspection, voyage preparation, and the updating of charts and logbooks. The chief engineer is in charge of all technical issues on board and coordinates his team of engineers. The engineers on board of a Jumbo vessel are true all-round technicians, and there is always something that needs their attention. They solve problems and take care of maintenance of all systems on board, from pneumatics and electrics to hydraulics. The engineers' work takes place during the daytime, and their focus is on system checking and problem solving. The engine room is fully automatic and therefore most of the time unmanned. The engineers, who have a wealth of experience, are often required to work alone. During lifting of heavy loads, they mainly focus on the power supply on board, as well as the operational aspects of both onboard mast cranes. The deck crew, alongside the officers and engineers, is also an essential part of operations. Their job includes securing and removing the sea fastening and assisting during a lifting operation. The thorough preparation and careful execution of each and every project guarantees a good result. It also explains why Jumbo has so many long-term trusting relationships with clients. The relaxed atmosphere and no-nonsense mentality guarantees a good working environment. The company believes that in this highly specialized and complex field, trust and reliability is key. Because of this, Jumbo is continuously developing both staff and fleet. Regular safety courses and training schedules keep the crew updated on the latest developments with regards to quality and health safety and environment rules, also known as QHSE regulations. The lifting of extreme heavy loads is an industry all of its own. Therefore, Jumbo has initiated the development of a Jumbo Vessel Crane Simulator. At Jumbo headquarters in Schiedam, new vessel crew members are trained by qualified experts to operate the 900 tons mast cranes of the J-class vessels. This is excellent training in preparation for carrying out the real operations on board the vessel. Sailing on one of Jumbo's heavy lift vessels is challenging. Every day brings something else and offers a lot of adventure. Jumbo is a proud company, proud of each successfully completed project. From heavy lifting and safe transport over the oceans to complete transport solutions over land and river. The company has a lot to offer for young as well as experienced professionals in the office and on board the vessels. Come and join the team and find the job you are looking for.